When betrayal has happened, it doesn't just create disappointment, it shatters trust, safety, and stability. Your partner may feel like the ground beneath them has given way. That's what betrayal trauma is. And while apologies matter, they're not enough on their own. What your partner needs most is to feel that you see them, hear them, and care about their pain. That's what empathy makes possible. Empathy goes deeper than saying, "I'm sorry." Apologies are about words. Empathy is about presence. It's about stepping into someone else's experience, even when it's uncomfortable. And it's about saying, "I want to understand what this is like for you." But let's be honest, empathy doesn't always come naturally. Many of us were never taught how to do it. In fact, it's common to make mistakes like minimizing pain, jumping too quickly to solutions, or centering ourselves instead of staying present with the other person. This course will help you recognize those pitfalls and replace them with skills that actually build connection. Across these lessons, we'll walk step by step through practical tools to grow empathy. You'll specifically learn how to build self-awareness and mindfulness so you can notice your own emotions, regulate them, and show up calm and grounded. We'll also show you techniques for healthy emotional expression, using "I feel" statements, taking time outs, and staying curious instead of judgmental. We'll also identify triggers, both yours and your partner's, and build resilience in emotionally charged moments. We'll work on skills for reflective listening and validation, not just hearing words, but showing you truly understand. Tools like empathy mapping and perspective taking that will help you step into your partner's shoes and respond with care. We'll also learn how to rebuild trust through empathy by creating emotional safety, respecting boundaries, and showing consistency over time. And finally, we'll learn how to apply empathy in daily interactions, integrating it into everyday life, problem solving with both people's feelings in mind, and maintaining empathy over the long haul. This course is about practice. Every time you choose empathy, you're making a deposit into trust, safety, and connection. Over time, those choices shape not just your recovery, but the kind of partner, parent, coworker, and friend you become. So let's get started. Together, we'll learn how to move from words alone to empathy in action, building the kind of relationships where healing and trust can truly grow.